it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as it's a record.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica is giving here with another reaction. Ooh. Today, guys, we heard Nawmal Again, Vybz Kartel. Nawmal Again is the official music video. We done the audio already, which we're going to link at the end of the other video. So stay tuned for it if you don't hear me break down the audio. Talk about the audio. This is the video. We're going to more concentrate on the video than what I must say in the song. So let's jump in one and see what go on. Kartel, Nawmal Again, let's go.
Yeah.
Shit. Whoop. Yeah. Video well green now. Alright.
Me have the weed and the whistler and the lighter and the grabber. Yeah. Bill up a spliff a fat like me baby mother. Yeah. No crack bun a coke sniffer, pill popper. Yeah. No pharmacy, no dep on the gas. Hold on.
You look at the green like this.
Me have the weed and the whistler and the lighter and the grabber. Bill up a spliff a fat like me baby mother. No crack bun a coke sniffer, pill popper. No pharmacy, no dep on the gas. Hold on. I agree that I never come.
Yeah.
Where you a go with all bullshit scammer? No put that on your mouth, I'll call a loo bada. Watch me later and me spliff a play with them one another. Me wake up, me smoking, laid up, me smoking. My lungs them stay open, my video, me posting. Me dep on Instagram, I do a bag of fucking trolling. The rizzle and me falling and the weave me rolling. As me two eye them open, the alien them floating. Me place like the stove thing, a straight rise me toast me. And cough out the smoke like the cold did in coffee. That do it from me young, now me grow big, promoting. Me not smoke, me I know myself. Got a split up in me head. I know me Nawmal Again, Nawmal Again. Yeah. Where you say, me have the weed and the whistler and the lighter and the grabber. Bill up a spliff a fat like me baby mother. No crack bun a coke sniffer, pill popper. No pharmacy, no dep on the gas. I agree that I don't. Where you a go with all bullshit scammer? No put that on your mouth, I'll call a loo bada. Watch me later and me spliff a play with them one another. I wake up, me smoking, laid up, me smoking. My lungs them stay open, my video.
Yeah, big up the editor. Rizzy, big up on yourself.
One another. Wake up, me smoking, laid up, me smoking. My lungs them stay open, my video, me posting. Me dip on Instagram, I do a bag of fucking trolling. The rizzle and me falling and the weave me rolling. As me two eye them open, the alien them floating. Me place like the stove thing, a straight rise me toast me. And cough out the smoke like the cold did in coffee. That do it from me young, now me grow big, promoting. Me not smoke, me I know myself. Got a spliff up in me head. I know me Nawmal Again, Nawmal Again. Nawmal Again, Nawmal Again.
But like how the video, just green, because obviously I smoke him I talk about, and I only one thing we smoke as Jamaican are the greens. Yeah.
I know me Nawmal Again, Nawmal Again. Nawmal Again, Nawmal Again.
Hold on.
First class flight on the jet.
Yeah.
Up in the cloud, buckle up your seatbelt. And then me Nawmal Again, Nawmal Again.
On my phone. Alright.
Me nah like tell me smoke cigarette. Tell me nothing do it, it's a box I'll go get.
Where?
Are your lungs? Are your chest?
What?
Are your life? Are your death? No watch that we know, we not the best. No matter how your frosty bring, real happiness. Me girl say fi stop smoke, me say take a rest. Me and me spliff closer than your breath, here on your breast.
Take a rest. You know what you tell me about stop smoke.
Me girl say fi stop smoke,
stop
me
it.
say take a rest. Me and me spliff closer than your breath, here on your breast. Me wake up, me smoking, laid up, me smoking. My lungs them stay open.
Yo, mom's ticking now. Mom's them in that video ticking now. Mom's them, make up on yourself.
Here on your breast. Me wake up, me smoking, laid up, me smoking. My lungs them stay open. My video, me posting. Me dep on Instagram, I do a bag of fucking trolling. The rizzle and me falling and the weave me rolling. As me two eye them open, the alien them floating. Me place like the stove thing, a straight rise me toast me. And cough out the smoke like the cold did in coffee. That do it from me young, now me grow big, promoting. Me not smoke.
The fact said them a black out the alcohol or the drink cup and them thing there. It's like, I don't know. In a weed song though, why on black that out? Is it because of copyright issues here? I don't know. What's the reason? Because normally them thing, as we can see, it's a cup. It's a cup, right? So, but normally them thing get free up. So I don't know why black out still. If Somebody doing that comment section, please let me know, please.
Like the coded in COVID, I beat from me young, now me grow big, but what it? Me not smoke, me and myself. I got a split up in my head, and I be normal again. Normal again. First class flight on the jet. Up in the cloud, buckle up your seat, and I be normal again. Me up the weed and the whistler and the lighter and the grab.
So much things.
Bill up a split for fat like the baby mother. Sharp. No crack bun, a coke sniffer, pill popper. No pharmacy, no dep on the gas. What I agree, that I never come. Where you a go with old bull, fuck scammer. No put that on your mouth, I'll call a low bada. Watch me later and me split for clear with them one another. As me wake up, me smoking. Laid up, me smoking. My lungs them still whooping. My video, me posting. Me dep on Instagram, I do a bag of fucking trolling. The whistle I'm falling and the weave me rolling as me do.
Yo, me know I'm gonna do the dance, you know. Me just know I'm gonna do the dance. Bogle dance, I do. Kartel. Find the next dance. But you come from prison to dance, and me see I do. Find the next dance with G. Yeah. It's bad still, but find the next dance. Find the next dance.
Step on Instagram, I do a bag of fucking trolling. The whistle I'm falling and the weave me rolling as me do. Yeah, I'm floating. Me blaze like the stove thing. A straight rise me toast me. And cough out the smoke like the cold in coffee. That beat from me young, now me grow big, promoted.
We all know that teacher is a lyricist. Teacher is very talented when it comes on to putting out music and writing songs and all the above. But when it comes on to dancing, it's not your thing, G. But yeah, try still. Yeah, try.
And cough out the smoke like the cold in coffee. That beat from me young, now me grow big, promoted. Me not smoke, me and myself. I got a split up in my head. And I be normal again. Normal again. First class flight on the jet. Up in the cloud, buckle up your seat there. I know me normal again. What you say?
Let me say the full audio reaction. I go be pinned on your screen at the end of this. So go check it out. I'll just checking out the video. Artist Kartel, Nawmal Again, directed by 𝐍. Big up yourself, 𝐍. Big up the whole production team, yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Yeah. Big up the editor as well for the video. Video bad. Let me know what you think about that one, yeah. I'm surprised we got a video. Cause normally we don't get video and song at the same time, but we got the video. I like it. It's bad. We got the moms on the video. See me. I like the theme of it being green. You know, cause you don't know say weed him a smoke. As him wake up him smoking, everything him a do, I smoke. So yeah, the video is supposed to be green. So big up yourself. But the thing about the cup that was blacked out, I don't know why that was blurred out. So if somebody have a logical answer in the comment section, I'm going on the route of copyright claim. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section anyway. Alright? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more binds, span them and do what? Def them.